Let's jump straight into the indoor auto drip kit, with that awesome built-in Cycle+Soak. Let's take a look at what's inside the box together. All accessories are complete, including 10 micro drip emitters, which can water up to 10 potted plants. There are 4mm mainline tubing and 3mm branch line tubing. The irrigation system incorporates 4mm mainline tubing, complemented by 3mm branch line tubing, to significantly minimize pressure loss throughout the network. This strategic combination ensures that water is distributed more uniformly and efficiently to each dripper. The LCD screen is clear and easy to read. Additionally, it's like having a clock at the same time. On the side are the charging port and water inlet/outlet ports. Tubing DIY connection. Plan your drip watering layout and cut the 4mm tubing to desired length. Insert filter to the other end of water inlet tubing. Connect the 4mm hose to water inlet port. Connect anti-siphon valve to water outlet hose and close to pump. It will help prevent the backflow and siphoning. The valve must be installed correctly in accordance with the flow direction. Connect anti-siphon valve to water outlet port. Put filter into water container. Measure the distance between potted plants. Cut the 4mm tubing to desired length. Put the cut tubing into boiling water and soak it for 10 seconds to soften it. Subsequently, the installation of the tubing will be easier. When you need to connect a hose while splitting to other 3 ways, you can use the cross barb fitting. When you need to connect the hose while splitting to 2 ways, you can use the T-barb fitting. The cross barb fitting is connected to 4mm hoses respectively. Its function is to quickly split the water flow. T-barb fitting has 4mm hoses connected to its 2 sides, while its middle port is connected to a dripper via a 3mm hose. This effectively improves the uniform distribution of water flow. Install the 3mm micro drip emitter and 4mm tubing end plug. Insert emitters at least 3 inches deep, which will help water reach plant roots. Backstand detachable. Stands or hangs. Manual, stop watering. Make sure the knob is in on position. Press the manual button to activate temporary manual watering mode. Press plus or minus buttons to set your desired duration. Press OK to confirm, and manual watering will start immediately. Cycle+Soak is available under manual watering mode. Press the manual button to end the watering session. How to set an auto watering plan. Set current time. Turn knob to set clock. Press plus button to select 12-hour or 24-hour format. Press OK to confirm. Then set current time with plus or minus buttons. Press OK to confirm. Start time setting. Turn knob to start time. Press plus or minus buttons to select time. Press OK to confirm. Set watering duration. Turn knob to how long. Press plus or minus buttons to set your desired duration. The configurable time duration range covers 20 seconds to 50 seconds and 1 minute to 20 minutes. Set watering frequency. Turn knob to how often. Press plus or minus buttons to set your desired frequency. Available frequency settings: 8 hours or 12 hours, 1 days to 30 days. Confirm your setting. Turn knob to on to confirm. How to set Cycle+Soak. Keep the knob in how long. Press Cycle+Soak button to activate or deactivate. Choose watering 1 min/soaking 5 min mode when the total runtime is set greater than or equal to 2 minutes. Or watering 2 min/soaking 10 min mode when the total runtime is 4 minutes or more. Once setting is completed, turn the knob to on to confirm. Suspend auto watering plan. Make sure the knob is in on. Long press delay to activate. Press plus to choose delay duration. You could choose to delay the scheduled watering plan for 24/48/72 hours per your desired. Press OK to confirm. Delay will appear once settings are confirmed. Long press delay to cancel the function. It has been set up successfully, so you can feel free to go away for a trip now. When you get back home, just refill the water bucket. That's all you need to do.